you say peppers. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I almost did not show up today. I almost missed a day of Vlogoween. I feel like I look even messier than I usually do, you guys, because today I kind of feel like a mess. I'm having like severe eye fatigue. And then Dogman and I were walking around, you know, doing our little fitness walk, and I somehow stumbled like pretty badly. I'm pretty sure I like rolled my ankle. I don't know like what's the difference between spraining your ankle and rolling your ankle, but you guys, I would have like kissed the pavement if Dogman had not been right there to like grab me before I utterly fell. Needless to say, I almost just took like a day off to you know, rest, ice my ankle, and steam my face, you guys, because I've been battling this face demon for what feels like more than a week now. So no matter what, I have to steam my face before I go to sleep tonight. But I know a lot of y'all have been leaving me comments lately, not just here on YouTube, but also on Snap as well, that a lot of these videos like help y'all to relax, wind down, fall asleep. And so just in case you were like on the lookout for a new video to like chill, hang out, and relax too, I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. So here I am, your messy nighttime friend. Today, we're gonna do a video that we haven't done in a couple of months, and I'm shocked I have not made a video about these in quite a while because I am passionate about collecting these probably for the last 2 years. They are Gashapon, Gashapon. I still don't know how to say them, but I do love them. I feel like lots of times we have found so many really cool, like hyper realistic miniature items that you just can't find in other miniature collections, whether it's mini brands, remints, etc, etc. I posted a new little short yesterday unboxing a Gashapon, and inside of it was a miniature realistic Halloween mask. So there's lots of fun stuff. So I thought in the spirit, look, I put all the ones we're unboxing on egging today, deshelling in my spirit basket. So in the spirit of the season, I thought let's open only orange and black eggs. But you guys, I only have one black Gashapon egg, but I do have lots of orange ones. They're either solid orange or they have orange bottoms. I do just have like various buckets around the house, and they're full of Gashapon. So I don't know like what series, what set, what we're gonna get. Let's just grab, let's do this one. Why not? And will it pop? No. Will it? No. Why do they do that sometimes? Why do they not? Oh, because it's taped. How have I opened like 500 of these and still I don't know what I'm doing? Okay, now I have tape on my finger. There it went. All right, you guys. Ooh! Oh, I feel like this is also like in the spirit of Halloween. Why do I keep saying that? It's like sometimes I just pick a fun catchphrase and stick with it for the entirety of the video. Why am I showing you guys the paper thing first? You guys, I'm not doing anything normal today, clearly. It's a little miniature popcorn. I think that Jiffy Pop is the one that's mostly like this here in the States. It's like that cute little kettle that you can put right on the stove and then it pops up. But look at this tiny little keychain, and hopefully y'all can see and hear. Can you hear the popcorn rattling around in there? Let's open this one. The solid orange egg. Do we have another? Oh, we do have another. I was like, this is the only solid orange egg, but it's not. But look, I will remember to de-tape it this time. Let's see. Oh, okay, I see the bottom and now I know what this is. We unboxed one of these a long time ago, but I did get the entire set on Amazon Japan, and I really loved this one. So I got a set of 5 and they all play different music. Do you guys remember the tiny realistic jukebox that we opened forever ago? I don't remember what video that was. I mean, obviously probably, it could have been a Amazon Japan haul. It could have been a Gashapon unboxing. I don't know. But let's pull the little tab out of the back. Look at how cute these are. I don't know if like jukeboxes ever look like this anymore. I know that they're all digital now, but I feel like there was a short amount of time where even though the jukebox was digital, they still kept this like old retro style casing, but probably nowhere in the world do they look like this anymore. So this is a true retro thing of the past. Let me push the button and let's see if any of us recognize what song this is. It does play, right? Oh. Name that tune. So I think that there was a set of 5 of these, and it actually, I never noticed before right this very moment, but it says the Jukebox 3. Let me know, do you pronounce it jukebox? I always say jukebox, as if there's a T in this word. There's not! I've never seen these before in my life though, so who knew that there was like a series 1 and 2? Jukebox? I don't know. Sippy sippy while we imagine what those looked like. Yes, what was I going to say? All right, let's open this one. Orange on the bottom, clear on the top. I'm gonna pretend like I can't see what's in there, but that one almost could have popped, but it didn't. So why am I showing you guys the paper every single time first? Let's look at the item. That is a large bag. Oh my God, I remember getting these as well. I thought that this would actually be super fun to put in my Ita bag. Oh, this is like shocking. I don't remember when it was, what video it was. I was talking about, oh, it was a Rement video we recently did where I was talking about there was a set of J Dream Gashapon, and one of the items you could get inside of it was like a science research packaging kind of thing, but inside of there was these tiny little rubber gloves. You guys, I'm so shocked. I thought that this was like gonna kind of be the same thing. I thought it was maybe gonna be like a little bit more of a realistic prop, because do you guys know what this is? It's it's like a Lysol wipe. I'm not sure if this is something that looks like a real brand in Japan. It is from Toys Spirits, and they usually have some of the most realistic Gashapon. So I'm really shocked. I'm like hesitant to open this up. I'm gonna do it anyway. It feels like hard plastic in there, you know what I mean? I thought it was gonna be like the little silicone gloves that I keep talking about, where you could actually like find gloves inside. Ooh, you guys, the plot thickens. So there is a container inside. It's hard plastic. So I guess maybe you could even functionally use this, theoretically, if you wanted to. Just take one single Lysol wipe with you. It's very cute. I feel like this is miniature, but I definitely thought it was gonna be more miniature, you know, when I got the listing. All right, let's open another orange one, and then we'll do the black one next. And I'm trying to see. Okay, that one was taped, but I was able to just rip the tape off like a Band-Aid. Oh, it's a cheeseburger. Ooh, yeah, it's like a burger. I didn't know. Is it a burger? Is it a breakfast sandwich? I feel like I got these like literally forever ago. And when I was doing like some deep cleaning, organizing earlier this year, I started like gathering all of the Gashapon together, because you guys, I feel like this is a very old set, but it's definitely like one of my faves. I feel like I always will put these like in an Ita bag on display somewhere. Now I do feel like the bun is like actually pretty delicate because it's squishy. It's kind of funny because these are like a little bit flexible, like the cheese, the toppings, the lettuce. They definitely are a little bit more flexible, but just in comparison to the bun, they're almost like hard plastic. So I feel like I'm nervous to carry this as an actual keychain, because I have had some of these like tear apart before. So I feel like I always love displaying these, but either as a prop for filming or or inside like the front of an Ita bag where it has like a clear display, but it's like protected by plastic, you know what I mean? Let's refresh our mind. So this was a J Dream set, and oh, there's French fries. I wonder if we have that like sitting around somewhere. I feel like sometimes back in the day when I used to get Gashapon, I would get them just a single egg at a time. And I really am trying to remember, there used to be this amazing online store where I would get Gashapon and interesting Japanese snacks, candies, sodas, and stuff. But for the life of me, I cannot remember what it was called. So I feel like sometimes I would just get like one random Gashapon at a time from a series. But now whenever I try and buy them, I try and buy like a complete set. So I wonder if we have the French fries somewhere, because I feel like that would be so fun. All right, you guys, let's open Halloween black egg. What is in this egg? I don't know. And I don't know how to open it. Ooh, this one has no tape or nothing. It just, oh my God! You guys, I forgot I got these. Oh, and it's my favorite Tamagotchi of all time. Oh. You guys, there was a series of Tamagotchi, super mini, tiny Gashapon, and Vlogoween is my favorite Tamagotchi ever of all time. And this is the miniature version of that. How interesting that that would actually come out of the black egg. Now, I feel like this would be so cool if the buttons did actually push. I feel like that would add like a whole fidget element to this little item. But oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like this would even make a super cute like necklace or earring. You know, why not? And I feel like there were so many options in this collection. I think I got a full set, but I got these quite a while ago, so I don't remember. Oh, because Angelgotchi. That was my favorite one as a kid. I played Angelgotchi probably more than any other Tamagotchi that I ever collected. So that one will be super fun to find as well. In my later years, Vlogoween has been my favorite Tamagotchi because I feel like there's more like Halloween looking characters in that one. I keep wishing that Tamagotchi would bring some of those characters back in their newer products. Like, I can't even remember what is the newest Tamagotchi. I haven't even gotten one yet, you guys. It's like they re-released, like, it's not a Tamagotchi like watch. You guys, I really keep wishing they would combine the technology of like a Tamagotchi wearable with like a pedometer aspect. Oh my God, you guys, I would be, I feel like, even more motivated. I love pedometers. I have been an avid Fitbit wearer for years. And I don't feel like I'd ever like stop wearing my Fitbit just because I love it so much. I have it on like a little like clip on, like it's on a little like thing on my waistband. So I feel like it never interferes with like whatever outfit I'm wearing. So I feel like I would never totally abandon my Fitbit, but I would certainly probably every day wear a Tamagotchi pedometer. Like if its life and health depended on how many steps you took. Would anybody else be motivated by that? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, you guys, I was just talking and oh yes, I feel like I was like influenced to buy these because I kept seeing Gashapon, now I don't even know how I say it. Gashapon collectors. I follow a few accounts and like that's their whole like Instagram account is like showing off their really amazing Gashapon collections. And a lot of times they'll color coordinate and do like all yellow, all orange, all whatever. And I kept seeing these, you guys. They're like little itty bitty teeny tiny ashtrays and they're from hotels. And I don't know if these are real hotels in Japan, if it's just totally made up, but I don't know why I thought these are so cute, you guys. I do not know why. I think we opened one before, and I honestly don't remember. I feel like it was a square one, so I almost want to say it was the clear one or the purple one, but ultimately I don't remember. One last egg, you guys, one last orange egg, and we have to untape it on both sides. Ew! Is this gonna be like super lucky? I feel like this is the other one I wanted from this series, you guys, the tape. Oh, okay, there we go. Yes! Oh, you guys, what was that face? I very well may open these. I feel like we opened one from this series several months ago. It was, octopi. Squids? What's the plural of octopus? They're meant to be like a little bag of bath toys. Like little, you know, like if it was a rubber duck. But these are the frogs, you guys. Y'all know. Y'all maybe know. I love frogs. I love frogs. So look at how adorable these are. Ooh. Oh, they're all like, okay, they're all like laying on their stomachs. I thought some frogs were sitting, some frogs were laying on their stomachs. They're all just laying on their stomachs. Look at how cute they are. I feel like you're supposed to be able to take this keychain apart and put it back together, but I'm honestly kind of torn. I don't know if I leave them like this because I do like the concept of like a miniature bag, like how the product would be if you bought it at the store or something, but I also would love to take the frogs out. I probably didn't even finish my sentence. I am a little nervous about attempting to take it out and put it back together because another Gashapon we opened several months ago, it was like a bath set. You got like a soap, a bucket, a rubber duck, and something else, but you got the net and stuff and you had to like clip it together to kind of like assemble it like this. I could never get mine to stick together properly. So I'm honestly kind of nervous that if I take it apart and take the frogs out, would I ever be able to put the frogs back in? Maybe not, you guys. This is the one we got before, option D, which is these little, I really don't know if they're meant to be octopi or squids, frogs, turtles, ducks, and I can't even tell what the other one is a picture of, but those are all the other options, you guys. All right, I'm going to edit this video and then steam my face, and then we'll see if I have time for a tiny little DIY that I've been wanting to do. I found this. I'm trying to remember if I literally found this like the day that we went through like the first, that was a Graveyard Girl video. I'm doing like some Halloween decluttering slash organizing over there. I can't remember where I found this, but I did recently just find this year. It's a Now That's What I Call Halloween. I literally never knew that this existed, but I want to do a DIY with it because even the CD honestly looks so cool. So I want to scan this in, and I have those little like air fresheners, which I'll see if I can like link you guys to one of them in the YouTube shopping thing. I think it should be like down here in the corner over here. But y'all know those things that like kind of went viral several times. The CD, or sometimes they call it a record player. It's like the air freshener and it spins, but I started making custom ones by taking labels and like printing CDs I really like and then like putting the sticker on the air freshener disc. And I'm like, this would be so fun to have in the Jeep for Halloween. Now that's what I call Halloween, the disc, the air freshener. Anyway, you guys, I will see y'all again very soon. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching, for spending a little time with me. Thank you for being here. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!